is an anchor of regional stability and a beacon of hope for global peace and prosperity under these very challenging global circumstances. We are proud of our collaboration in various fields, from the China-Pakistan economic corridor to cultural exchanges, education, defense production, and on top of it, hundreds of Pakistani young students visiting Chinese universities and learning Mandarin language is a bridge between Beijing and Islamabad, and it is serving our friendship a great job. As I speak, the first batch of agriculture graduates is going to visit China and have education in the field of agriculture to attain modern techniques and expertise in agriculture to boost production of Pakistani agriculture next month, early next year, which is yet another step towards our economic cooperation. Your Excellency, after my very productive visit to China in June this year, was followed by Premier Lee's visit to Islamabad in October, where we reaffirmed our common desire and our shared commitment for economic progress and prosperity, which we will enhance through joint efforts. Thank you, Master Yuan, once again for this treasured gift, which will forever symbolize the unbreakable, rather unshakable bond between Pakistan and China, and my heartfelt gratitude to you for this very thoughtful and unique ink and wash portrait of mine, which I will always cherish and stand humbled. Master Yuan, I wish you, your lady wife and madam, a very wonderful and enjoyable visit to Pakistan. Have a very comfortable stay, and this visit of yours will always be remembered for more than one reason and strengthen our friendship, which most definitely is higher than the highest mountains of the world. Pak Chin Dosti Zindabad.
Thank you so much, Honorable Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif Sahab. I will request the Honorable Prime Minister, the Honorable Ministers, the respected Honorable Ambassadors, and the members of Chinese delegation, senior officials, for a group photo.
非常感谢沙巴总理阁下，部长要为大使。